Hello students, now in this video we will see exercise 4.1 of chapter 4 simple equations of standard 7th. Now in previous video, in introduction video, we have seen the concept of putting the values. So here we will be using that concept. So this is our question. Let us see the question. The question is complete the last column of the table. In textbook, table is given to us. I have written like this way in textbook. Table form is given to us. This table is given to us. Equation is given, value is given, and we have to calculate and complete this last column. So this last column we have to complete. Okay, so we have to say whether the equation is satisfied or not. Yes or no. We have to write yes or no. So these are the questions. So one by one we will see. So let us start. First of all, first one is x plus 3 equal to 0. This is our equation. Equation is already given to us, and this value of the variable is given x equal to 3. This value we will keep in this and we will check whether this value is correct or not. So first one is x plus 3 equal to 0. So x plus 3 equal to 0. X is given, the value of x is given to us 3. So in LHS part we will keep the value. So we will write LHS part. LHS is x plus 3. Now putting the value of x. What is x? X is given 3. So it will be 3 plus 3. Now 3 plus 3 will give us 6. Okay. So we got 6. And what is our RHS? In RHS, 0 is given to us. So here we will write that RHS is given 0. And we are getting 6. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So both are not equal. Okay. This is our LHS part and this is our RHS part. This is LHS part and this is RHS part. So this answer we should get. If we are not getting, then we have to write that this is not the correct value. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So this value does not satisfy the equation. So you will write no. Okay. This value does not satisfy. Now second one, again x plus 3 equal to 0 and the value of x is given 0. So again we will write first LHS part. LHS is x plus 3. Now we will keep the value of variable and it is given 0. It is given 0. So x की जगह पे क्या put कर देंगे? 0. So 0 plus 3. So 0 plus 3 will be 3. So our answer is 3. And again what is given in RHS part? RHS is given 0. So again our LHS is not equal to our RHS. So again we are not getting the RHS part. So here also we will write no. This is also not the correct value. Now we will see third one. So this is our third sum. Okay, so first and second is done. Now we will see third one. X plus 3 equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 3. Now this time negative value is there. So LHS part is x plus 3. Now we will keep the value. So x is given minus 3. So here minus 3 plus 3. Now minus 3 plus 3 will be 0. Okay, so we are getting 0. And here what is given? 0 is given. So yes, our RHS is also 0. So this time we are getting LHS and RHS same. We are getting equal. So write down LHS is equal to RHS. So this is the correct value. Yes, you can write down that this is the correct value or this value satisfies the equation. You can write statement in your own words or only yes or no. If you write, then also it's okay. So now moving ahead, we will see fourth one. Now we will see fourth one. Fourth one equation is x minus 7 equal to 1. So our LHS is x minus 7. Now value is given to us 7. So we will keep 7. In place of x we will keep 7. So it will be 7 minus 7. Now 7 minus 7 is 0. And what is our LHS part? LHS part we got 0 and RHS part is 1. So write down RHS is 1 and we got answer 0. So RHS part of fourth one was 1 and we are getting answer as 0. So again LHS is not equal to RHS. So this is not the correct value. So write down no. This is not the correct value. Now fifth one, our equation is again x minus 7 equal to 1, but the value is x equal to 8. So now we will keep 8. So again in fifth one, our LHS part is x minus 7. Now we will keep the value. So it is given 8. So 8 minus 7. Now 8 minus 7 is 1. So we got 1. And here also 1 is given, RHS part. So RHS is also 1. So this time also LHS and RHS we are getting equal. So LHS equal to RHS. So this is the correct value. So you will write down yes. So fifth one we are getting yes, this is the correct value. Now sixth one is 5x equal to 25 and x equal to 0. So our LHS part is 5x. Okay. So this is our LHS part 5x and x is given 0. Okay. X is given 0 to us. X is given 0. Now there is no sign, means which sign is there? Multiplication sign. So 5x means 5 into x. So 5 into 0, because 0 is given. So this value we are keeping. So 5 zeros is 0. So what was given to our RHS? RHS is 25. So we have to write that RHS is 25. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So this value is not the correct value. So you will write no. Now moving ahead with seventh sum. Seventh one is 5x equal to 25. Again the value of x is given, it is 5. So we will keep the value. LHS is 5x means 5 into x. So 5 into x. And what is x? X is given to us 5. So 5 5 is 25. So we are getting 25 and here also 25 is given. So RHS is given 25 and LHS also answer we are getting 25. So LHS is equal to RHS. So this is the correct value. So yes, here yes will come. This is the correct value. Now eighth one, again 5x equal to 25, but the value is minus 5. Again LHS part is, LHS is again 5x. So that is 5 into x. Now in eighth one x is given minus 5. So 5 into minus 5. Now you need to multiply carefully because negative sign is there. So 5 5s are 25 and minus is given one time. So minus will come. So minus 25. So eighth answer we are getting minus 25 and it is given only 25. So our RHS part is given 25. So again LHS is not equal to RHS. So no, this is also not the correct value. So this was eighth one. Now moving ahead with ninth one. Now ninth one is a fraction m upon 3. So our LHS is m upon 3. Okay. Now in place of m we will keep minus 6. The value is given to us minus 6. So m के जगह पे minus 3 रखेंगे. So it will be m की जगह पे what we will keep in place of m we will keep minus 6. So we will put the value of m. So we will put minus 6 upon 3. Now cancellation is possible. So 3 ones are and 3 twos are. So minus 2 upon 1 means we are getting minus 2. Ninth one. And our RHS is given 2. Okay. RHS is given 2. So again LHS is not equal to RHS. So again no, this is not the correct value. So this was ninth one. Now we will see 10th one. Again 10th one is m upon 3. So again our LHS is m upon 3 and what is the value given to us? 0. So we have to put 0. So m upon 3 will become 0 upon 3. Now 0 divided by any number, the answer is 0. So our LHS is 0 and here it is given 2. So again our LHS is not equal to RHS. So no, this is also not the correct value. So this was 10th one. Now moving ahead to the last sum. Last sum is m upon 3 equal to 2. Again m upon 3 is given but the value is 6. So our LHS part is m upon 3 and that is equal to 6 upon 3. Now cancellation is possible. 3 ones are and 3 twos are. So we are getting 2 and here also 2 is given to us. So we are getting 2. So LHS is equal to RHS. So what you will write here? LHS is equal to RHS. So this is the correct value. So you will write yes. This is the correct value. So this was question number 1 of exercise 4.1. Hope you understood.